Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we are doing a part 2 to our Vegas baby centerpiece that we did a few weeks ago. Now, I'm always telling you to alternate your centerpieces with some tall and some on a smaller scale. But sometimes I don't get time to show you how to create the smaller scale version. Well, for this episode, I'm challenging myself to not only show you, but to do it with all Dollar Tree items. And I got really close. But irregardless, this centerpiece is under $10. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Vegas Baby Part 2, Dollar Tree Challenge. All right, guys, let's go. So first we're going to put our base together, and we're going to have a 1 7-inch Mario glass base, a 1 4-inch tapered glass candle holder, and the E6000. So you're just going to put E6000 on your rim of your candlestick, place your vase on top, let it dry for about 30 to 45 minutes before you go to the next step, which is to spray paint it whatever color you would like. And for this, we went with a lacquer black. Once it's dry, go ahead and place your 3-inch styrofoam ball in the center. You can add a little hot glue to your ball just for some extra stability, and then you're ready to add your blossoms. Of course, starting with our hydrangeas. To think something so simple can be absolutely stunning and economic. We love cost savings. So we were able to do this Dollar Tree challenge with everything except for the E6000 and the spray paint. We did have to get that from other sources, but don't worry. All of the links to all of the supplies are in the description right below this video. Click on that little arrow that says show more and you will find everything there for your use. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you have a question or a comment, please drop it right there in our comment section. I answer them personally. It takes me a little bit of time, but no worries. We have a fantastic community here on YouTube, and they will get to your question if I have trouble getting to it as soon as you need it. In addition to that, if you want to hang out with us some more, head on over to our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget Pinterest. And if you have not signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for. Do it right now. You can either go to the link, sign up for your Rakuten account, and when you're ready to shop, sign on, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check in the mail for your shopping efforts. And it's absolutely free. So head on over there and take advantage of this awesome way to shop online. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. We are so grateful that you choose to spend this time with us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, so we do not take it lightly that you choose to spend it with us. We have a few spots left in our production schedule for 2022, like a very few. So if you have a project you would like us to consider, please head over to our website. You can click right there on that corner right there, and it'll take you to our website, MissPlanIt.com, where you will find the project request tab. You can simply click on it, follow the very simple steps, send it off, and you will hear back from us ASAP. In addition to that, we have some awesome cost-saving tips on our website, as well as the written and picture instructions for all of our projects. If you haven't checked out our website before, I highly encourage you to do that because there's so many more cost-saving tips and instructions on our website that we can't share with you on our YouTube channel. So head on over there, tell us what you think. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. So with that being said, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on MissPlanIt. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.